Hey guys, this is Ginger and welcome back to the farm. So I don't think Jigsaw's ever tried an apple. So let's go out here and see if he'll like one. Do you want to try some apples? It's so hot out here. It's not even 10 o'clock in the morning. Do you want to try an apple? Do you want to put some hot sauce on it? Would that make you feel better? Do you like it more? No? Do you want to try an apple? Okay. Oh yeah. For Jigsaw. Do you want to try it again? No? Okay. Sure? You sure you don't want to try the apple? Bubba's? Sure you don't want to try it? Okay. Well, don't act like I'm giving you poison or something. Jesus Christ, you ate hot sauce the other day. Yeah. Well, you said you didn't want to. Do you want to? Stop. Let Jakey at least try it, Emmett. Okay. Right. Okay. Here, then you just take it. He's still upset because I gave Emmett the apple, but he didn't want the apple. But he's upset that Emmett got the apple. Well, you said you didn't want it, so don't be upset about it.